After watching this video, you'll take another look at the oils in your kitchen. As you discover the secrets behind the Japanese people's long and healthy lives, you'll learn which oils they use sparingly and what they use instead. Some oils that are staples in our daily cooking and that we sometimes use at high temperatures may not be as harmless as we think. Regular and heavy use can have negative effects on cardiovascular health. The choice and use of oils is a much more important issue than we realize. Harmful oils can increase the risk of circulatory system problems, arteriosclerosis, and blood clotting. Consistently consuming meals prepared with harmful oils can lead to fat accumulation around the waist and metabolic health warnings. The traditional Japanese diet, widely regarded as very healthy and balanced, stands out particularly for its use of oils. So, which oils do the Japanese prefer? We'll discuss that today. But first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe. If you're ready, let's move on to the first oil. 1. Margarine, butter, solid fats. Processed and saturated fats are used very sparingly in traditional Japanese cuisine. These fats are not preferred in the kitchen because they may pose a risk to heart and vascular health. Instead, the Japanese typically use sesame oil or a small amount of olive oil. In some dishes, no oil is added at all. An interesting point is that in the 1990s, margarine and solid fats were heavily promoted in advertisements as very healthy. However, recent research indicates that excessive consumption of these processed fats may have negative effects on the cardiovascular system. This approach in Japanese cuisine highlights the impact of consciously and healthily limiting fat intake on longevity. The Japanese rarely cook with these processed and solid fats. This is due to both traditional eating habits and the fact that these fats are not compatible with healthy, light Japanese cuisine. In Japanese cuisine, meals are generally low in fat and centered on fresh vegetables and fish. Therefore, margarine, solid fats, or refined oils rarely find a place in the kitchen. Margarine and solid fats increase the risk of cardiovascular disease due to their high content of trans and saturated fats. Regular consumption can lead to elevated LDL cholesterol and reduced HDL cholesterol, as well as increased risks of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and chronic inflammation. Additionally, through issues such as atherosclerosis and blockages, they can indirectly negatively impact brain health. In Japanese cuisine, sesame oil or a small amount of olive oil is typically used instead of margarine and solid fats. In some dishes, no oil is added at all. These oils offer numerous health benefits. Sesame oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, supports heart health, and helps reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. It also adds a subtle aroma to dishes. Sesame oil is a healthy vegetable oil derived from sesame seeds and widely used in Chinese, Japanese, and Middle Eastern cuisines. Known for its nutty aroma, this oil is produced from sesame seeds, which are rich in protein and B vitamins. Sesame oil, which can be used not only in cooking, but also for skin and hair care, is a valuable oil, both for its flavor and health benefits. Sesame oil is produced in two different ways. Oil derived from raw sesame seeds has a mild flavor and can be used as a neutral oil in cooking. Oil derived from roasted sesame seeds, on the other hand, is dark in color and has a rich aroma. It is particularly preferred to add a deep flavor to dishes. It is generally suitable for sautéing meats and vegetables, adding to sauces, or using in salads. From a health perspective, sesame oil is highly beneficial. Rich in vitamin E and antioxidant compounds, this oil supports heart health, reduces inflammation in the body, and helps protect the skin from the harmful effects of the sun. With regular use, it may reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and alleviate stress and depression. Sesame oil also contributes to hair and skin health. It nourishes hair follicles and adds shine, strengthens the skin barrier, and prevents moisture loss. Thanks to its antioxidant effects, it supports the immune system and provides protection against cell damage caused by free radicals. While helping to regulate blood sugar levels, it supports stronger gums and reduces plaque buildup in the mouth. Finally, sesame oil's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may help protect the body against cardiovascular diseases such as atherosclerosis. However, it should be noted that sesame oil is not a standalone treatment. Its benefits are best felt when used in conjunction with a healthy diet and lifestyle. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and contains antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress. Regular use can support heart and vascular health, reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases, and help alleviate inflammation. It may also support the immune system. Studies suggest that olive oil may help reduce the risk of conditions such as type 2 diabetes, stroke, elevated bad cholesterol, and certain neurodegenerative diseases. The vast majority of the fatty acids in olive oil are healthy monounsaturated fats. It contains no cholesterol, carbohydrates, or protein. It is also very rich in vitamins E and K, as well as polyphenols, which have antioxidant properties. These components may help slow down the aging process of cells by supporting antioxidant activity in the body. 2. Sunflower oil. Although sunflower oil is a commonly used oil in our kitchens, it should be used with caution in certain situations. This is because refined sunflower oil is very high in omega-6 fatty acids. High omega-6 intake, especially when unbalanced, can trigger inflammation in the body and contribute to health problems in the long term. Sunflower oil contains a high amount of omega-6. In the Japanese diet, omega-3 fatty acids from fish and seafood take center stage, and the omega-6/omega-3 balance is maintained in a healthy way. Since excessive omega-6 can trigger inflammation, the Japanese generally use this oil sparingly. Japanese cuisine typically focuses on light stir-frying, steaming, and soups. Since deep frying is not common, there is less need for oils like sunflower oil that are suitable for high heat and have a neutral, mild flavor. The smoke point refers to the temperature at which an oil begins to oxidize and degrade when heated. When it comes to sunflower oil, the smoke point is around 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. Cooking above this temperature can destroy the oil's healthy components and lead to the formation of harmful compounds. Therefore, it is important for your health to avoid using sunflower oil for frying at high temperatures or prolonged heating. Especially in fast food restaurants, fried foods made with oil that has been reused multiple times can be quite harmful. As oil is exposed to high temperatures, it oxidizes and forms compounds that are harmful to health. Frequent consumption of such foods can increase inflammation and in the long term have negative effects on heart health, vascular health, and overall metabolic balance. Therefore, it is much safer to consume fried foods prepared with fresh oil as much as possible and in moderate amounts. For this reason, it is important to use sunflower oil in moderation. Healthier alternatives include natural oils derived from soybean oil or fish oil. Additionally, using sunflower oil only in very small amounts in meals is a recommended approach for balanced fat consumption. Japanese cuisine typically relies on more natural and aromatic oils such as soy sauce, sesame oil, olive oil, and fish oils. Refined, neutral-tasting oils with high omega-6 content, like sunflower oil, are not commonly used in traditional recipes. Soybean oil is a healthy and versatile oil you can use in your cooking. Because it is rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, it may help support heart health and lower bad cholesterol. It can also contribute to blood sugar control by supporting insulin sensitivity, so people with diabetes can use it in moderate amounts. Soybean oil contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-3 supports eye and skin health, omega-6 helps maintain healthy hair. It is also a good source of vitamins A, D, E, and K. You can obtain these vitamins by using it in your meals and benefit from its supportive effects in skin and hair care. When used in skincare, soybean oil helps the skin look radiant and healthy thanks to its moisturizing properties. When consumed regularly and in moderation, it can support gut health and help reduce issues like constipation. Soybean oil may help reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases due to its antioxidant compounds, but it does not have a curative effect on its own. In summary, soybean oil is a supportive and healthy source of fat. It may be beneficial for heart, skin, hair, and metabolic health, but to achieve its full benefits, it should be used in conjunction with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. 3. Vegetable shortening, lard, solid vegetable fats. Solid vegetable fats, such as vegetable shortening or lard, are processed, solid fats used in cooking. These fats are generally heat-resistant, but they are not highly recommended for health reasons due to the processed, saturated fats they contain. Consumption should be limited, especially since they may have negative effects on heart and vascular health. Solid vegetable fats, such as margarine, palm oil, and similar fats, contain high levels of saturated and trans fats. Therefore, they can pose serious risks to cardiovascular health. They can raise LDL, bad cholesterol, lead to atherosclerosis, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. Additionally, these oils produced through industrial processes can increase inflammation in the body, potentially paving the way for serious health issues such as heart attacks and strokes. Therefore, limiting the use of such solid fats as much as possible is crucial for a healthy diet. In Japanese cuisine, dashi, fish stock, and fermented sauces are preferred over solid and processed fats to enhance the flavor of dishes. When preparing dashi, fish bones and bones are simmered in water, resulting in a broth that is both flavorful and nutritious. This broth not only adds an aromatic flavor to dishes, but is also rich in collagen, thereby supporting skin and joint health. This method is a natural way to enhance the flavor of meals while maintaining a healthy balance of fats and nutrients. 4. Corn oil. Although corn oil is a commonly used oil for adding flavor to dishes, its use should be limited for several reasons. As a refined and processed oil, corn oil contains high levels of omega-6 fatty acids. If not balanced with omega-3, it can increase inflammation in the body and raise the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, because it undergoes high heat and chemical processing during production, its nutritional value decreases and harmful oxidized compounds may form. Since corn oil is high in calories, excessive consumption can lead to weight gain and obesity. It can have negative effects on heart and vascular health. Specifically, it can raise bad cholesterol levels. When used at high temperatures, the oil's structure breaks down, and harmful substances like acrylamide may form. Additionally, most corn oil is produced from genetically modified corn, so caution is advised when consuming it. It is important to know that corn oil is used in many processed and packaged foods. It is preferred in products like chips, crackers, ready-made cakes, fast food fried items, and sauces because it is inexpensive, refined, and its neutral taste does not alter the flavor of foods. However, when used in high quantities, this oil can disrupt the omega-6/omega-3 balance and, by increasing inflammation in the body, may have negative long-term effects on cardiovascular health. Therefore, it is very important to read labels and pay attention to the ingredients when consuming packaged products. In Japanese cuisine and healthy recipes, using sesame oil to add flavor to dishes instead of corn oil, or employing boiling and steaming methods, both enhances the taste and maintains a healthy balance of fats. Sesame oil is widely used, particularly in Asian cuisine, both to add flavor to dishes and to provide health benefits. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamin E. As a result, it supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and protects vascular health. When used regularly, it supports skin and hair health, maintains moisture balance, and nourishes hair follicles. Additionally, thanks to its anti-inflammatory effects, it can alleviate arthritis symptoms and contribute to metabolic health. Sesame oil adds flavor to dishes while contributing to healthy fat intake. In Japanese cuisine and healthy recipes, sesame oil is often used instead of corn oil to add flavor to dishes, or cooking methods such as boiling and steaming are preferred. These methods not only enhance the flavor of the dishes, but also help maintain a healthy fat balance. 5. Canola oil. Refined canola oil. Canola oil is a type of oil commonly used in Western-style cooking and is rarely chosen in traditional Japanese cuisine. The refining process, which involves high heat and chemical treatments, causes it to lose its nutritional value and may lead to the formation of harmful oxidized compounds. Canola oil also carries a risk of containing GMOs, genetically modified organisms, and since it is derived from the rapeseed plant, contains erucic acid in small amounts. When consumed in large quantities over a long period, it can have adverse effects on heart tissue and the nervous system. If refined canola oil is hydrogenated, it can turn into trans fats, which may increase bad cholesterol, negatively affecting heart and vascular health. Some studies suggest that excessive consumption may lead to damage in the kidneys, liver, and adrenal glands, a weakened immune system, and memory issues. For these reasons, experts recommend limiting, or if possible, avoiding the consumption of canola oil. In Japanese cuisine and healthy recipes, however, fish oil, small amounts of vegetable oil, or cooking methods such as boiling and steaming without oil are preferred instead of canola oil. This way, both the flavor of the dishes is preserved and the healthy fat balance remains intact. So, which oil do you prefer to use in your kitchen? Sesame oil, olive oil, or do you still use the old-fashioned margarine? Leave a comment below, share your experiences, and let's chat about it. What should the next post be about, dear friends? Please share your ideas below. And if you haven't followed me yet, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated on new content right away. See you in the next video. Stay healthy.